Just got a call from KTM. My bike is finally ready. I got a lot of questions. Thank you. This is the only part which I don't like about coming to the service center. You get to see so many mast. Thank you. Aram. Okay, finally it's completely fixed. Oh my god, I really need to control the speed in this one. You know, it's after riding different bikes, and the moment you ride a Duke 390, you understand the power of this bike. Even though this is just 390 and 44 bhp, but at times, it's feeling more powerful than a Tiger. Yes, it feels more powerful than the Tiger because of its weight. It's not powerful than Tiger. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, ये देखो. ओहो, जब मरेंगे ना ये लोग की टांग वांग कटेगी ना. अच्छा, क्या बात है यार. How proud they are riding like that. How proud they are. Okay, so I'm back home. I took my boss for a spin and I'm having this coffee on this mug which was gifted to me by Siddhant. So yeah, this is me. Yeah, anyways guys, so I took my boss for a spin. The bike is working absolutely fine. Although I still need to change the tire because I don't think with this tire I can go for very long distance. I think after 500-700 kilometers I will change the tire. I have to. Okay guys, so there is a news. So tomorrow I'll be traveling to Goregaon in Ratnagiri district and not Goregaon in Mumbai. And the reason I'm going there because I've been called up by TEDx to deliver a speech for them. TEDx program is designed to help communities, organizations and individuals to spark conversation and connection through local TED-like experience. I guess the first YouTuber from India was Bhuvan Bam, I guess. And after Bhuvan Bam, I'm going to be the second YouTuber from India. So I feel really great and lucky. So I need to speak about anything I want for 18 minutes, which can motivate others. Let's see. I have to reach there 8:30 in the morning, and right now it's almost 11 in the night. So it's around 158 kilometers from where I stay. So I need to get up early in the morning and I have to reach there around 8:30. I don't think I can sleep because I'm very fresh and I got up late also. So still I will try to sleep and I'll try to pack and everything. For now, good night. I'll see you in the morning. It's 2:30 in the night and I still can't sleep. I don't think I'll be able to sleep because I woke up like what, at 3 o'clock in the afternoon or 2:30 in the afternoon. Oh my god. As usual, I just slept for like 15 minutes. Basically, I didn't sleep at all because lately my sleeping schedule is like really bad. And also I got this new GPS. Yeah, Gearbest sent it to me, gearbest.com. They just sent it to me for free. But the problem with this is it doesn't comes with any map. So if you want to buy a map, so if you want maps for your country, you need to buy them separately. I checked India, it comes for like around 18 euros, and also I paid customs for this. Paid like around almost 2000 rupees for the customs for this. So basically overall a fully functioned waterproof GPS with the maps and customs and everything, you'll get it for like around 11,000-12,000 rupees. So I will review this in the near future because I haven't installed the map yet. So today I'm gonna wear Rhinox jacket. It's been very long. I mean, I think after Ladakh, I haven't wore this jacket. It's washed. It doesn't smell bad also. So today goes for Rhino. Okay, so it's 5:25 in the morning. I'm all ready. I'm wearing my YouTube t-shirt though, but I'm gonna change my t-shirt once I reach there. I am carrying my drone, but I don't think so I'm gonna fly. I'm just carrying, you know, if I get a chance, I will fly. I'm carrying my tank bag, my helmet. A lot of people asking about this SMK helmet. It's a nice helmet. I think it's the same company of stud helmets, if I'm not wrong. Cost around 4,500 or 5,000 rupees. It's not great, but it's good. So Wasim and Zaid will be here any moment, and I'm gonna meet Kaleem. I'm gonna meet Kaleem somewhere in the highway. So as you can clearly see that place is around 158 kilometers, which should take us 3 hours according to the Google map. But the Google map is, I think, taking us from the express road. We are not going to be taking the express road because obviously the two-wheelers are not allowed at Mumbai Pune express road. So we're going to be taking some road from here inside, connecting to the old Goa road. Basically this is like a Goa road only. So me and Wasim, we left. We were waiting for Zayed for like 5 minutes, but then I messaged Zayed that he can meet us at Kalamboli McDonald's, which is around 30 kilometers from here, because anyhow we have to cover that 158 kilometers distance in 2.5 hours. अबे ट्रक के पीछे क्या वेट कर रहा है यार? ये थोड़ा आगे तो वेट कर, मुझको दिखाई नहीं तू. हाँ सब अभी है. ठीक है चलो. 6 or 10. Chai wai piya must. We had our teas and now I won't say we are fresh. I mean because I haven't slept but I'm fresh and I'm all excited and I'm all charged up. Riding my boss after a very, very long time. Happy. This is the condition at 6:15 in the morning. And look at the potholes. Oh my god. So Zaid and Kaleem, they are refueling. So me and Wasim will just wait for them here for like 5-10 minutes. And whenever they'll come, we'll go. कहाँ जा रहे हो भाई? मैं कास पटर पता है तासारा में, वहाँ पे जा रहा हूँ. आगे मैप चेक करता हूँ. चलो भाई भाई. Oh shit! अरे माँ कसम. Roads till here were nice, so we have done around 75-ish kilometers from Mumbai. That means more 93 kilometers to go to the Duke after the Tiger. Still not getting used to it. Tiger has spoiled me to the core. That's what I feel. वड़ा पाव की स्मेल मेरे पेट में गुड़गुड़ कर रही है. वड़ा पाव का स्मेल is making me hungry. So towards my right we have Imagica. I've never been to this place. I really want to go to this place. I've heard good things, I've heard bad things about this place. अच्छा है. I have a feeling that I have been to this place. I think when around 2 years back I went to Dapoli. I think I took the same route. I think, I'm not really sure. I guess. Yeah, it was this place only. 4 exhaust? Are you serious? Ashish came to pick me up and now we are going to the venue, which is a college. Okay, so we reached here. क्या नाम है इसका?
लूनर है, गेस्ट हाउस है एक्चुअली.
Okay, this is the guest house. अली, कैसा लगा राइड करके? Thank you.
Looking good, na?
Looking good? Looking very good.
मेरा वाला है, इसका इधर है.
Looking very good.
डाल दे. ये तेरा है. And ये निकल गया.
The ride was good. It was okay. I mean, what do you expect? The Ratnagiri district is always like this. It took us like around 3.5 hours to reach exactly. So now we're gonna freshen up and then we're gonna go. Thank you. So we are going to the college.
By car.
By car. It's just hardly 1 kilometer, but still. We thought we'll just relax and go.
बहुत हिल रहे हैं.
Like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like kung fu. The love I feel is deep inside. The others don't matter. It's honestly us against the world. We're the puppet to my dream, but I just want it. Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? See myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? See myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself?
ये क्या है क्या?
Sandwich.
The government support is 30,000 rupees per family per year. So we are going to have a lot of restriction on how we spend this money. So when resources are limited, my suggestion is you innovate.
Have a real life bunny with us. I should rather say a bunny with a bike. Okay. Please welcome Nikhil Sharma, or I can say well known as Nikhil Mumbaikar. Everyone.
Oh, that was great. You're just listening, you're getting bored. So you're like, is he right? Or is he not right? Somewhere he's right, but I think he's trying to be over smart. Is he really trying to be over smart? Or he's smart? So my father said, don't do it. Your friends are just making fun of you. You think they're laughing, but they're just making fun of you. No, I don't they're laughing. They are making fun of you. I have experienced it. Children, ये suggestion दिया होगा आप लोगों ने? पैसा आ गया तो कोई दोस्त नहीं होता. नहीं. जैसे ही 24 क्रॉस हुआ, राइट.
Thank you, Nikhil Sharma. I guess after seeing you, my audience.
Okay, so done with my speech, and everybody's looking. So they are the people who are organizing all this. जस्ट से बाय ये बेटर होगा Okay, so we are back to the room. Zayed is still missing. He's coming on his way on the bike. So I think I did well. कैसा किया भाई लोग?
अच्छा था.
अच्छा किया.
1-1.
It's 1-1. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're gonna rest for like 15-20 minutes. We're gonna leave because sleep in nahi.
Open है.
It's open. नहीं open क्या open है? बोल. And then we're gonna leave in around 1:30, 1:45, and most probably we're gonna go non-stop to Mumbai.
अरे आएगा.
कहाँ था भाई?
कहाँ था भाई?
हंगरेला था.
महाबलेश्वर आने के बाद जरूर कॉल करना.
ठीक है भाई. चलो. Bye. Bye. Okay, so we have bye. So we have left. Now the time is 1:30 in the afternoon, and what we have decided is that we're gonna refuel, and then we're gonna straight away go home. And of course, it's gonna be tough for us because it's fully sunny and it's very hot. Unlike in the morning. Morning was a very pleasant weather, so it's gonna be a little tough for us. Anyways, I'll see you once I reach home. Bye bye. Okay guys, so I reached home. As you can guess by my face, the ride was very tiring because it was very hot. I didn't show you anything because it was the same road. It drizzled like for 5 minutes. That's it, nothing special. But it was very hot and the roads were very bad. That is the reason to cover 158 kilometers. It took us like 3 hours 15 minutes just to cover that 160 kilometers journey. Any which ways guys, that's about it. I think I'll end the vlog over here. Thank you for watching this video guys, and as always, shukran alvida, ma salama, take care and do whatever you want, my lovely friend. And if you're still here, don't forget to like the video and go like करके जाओ यार, यहाँ तक देख लिया तो. Bye bye, take care. Okay, so just got this. It has been sent to me by Raviraj Adsul. I don't know how you guys get my address, and I'm very bad in unboxing things and all that. Night, okay, night vision. Okay, so it's the glasses I can wear while riding in the night. Nice black cup. There's a letter inside the cup. Okay, he wants to travel the world, which is a very good thing. I've seen you and you. Thanks for this. I'll just. I look like Abhishek Bachchan from Dhoom 1. क्या करेगा?
अंदर का सामान बाहर निकालो.